How to get the Raccoon Pet in Grow a Garden on Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about getting the Raccoon Pet in Grow a Garden on Roblox. So first of all, you need to hatch a night egg. So the raccoon is a divine tire pet from the Luna Glow update. So the details of raccoon are its rarity is divine and you can get it by hatching a night egg. So the hatching chance is about 0.1%, and the exotic night egg has 1%. So ability is that every 15 minutes, the raccoon duplicates a random fruit from another player's garden and gives it to you. So how you can get the night eggs? You need to first go to the Blood Moon shop, which is available during Blood Moon events. It costs 1,500,000 shekels each, and it may not always be in stock. You can also get it during the Luna Glow event. So trade moon mutated fruits for Luna points, earn night eggs as rewards, and you can get up to 13 night eggs by completing the event. You can also go for premium purchase. So you can buy the exotic night eggs with Robux, and each egg has 1% chance to hatch a raccoon. So always use the advanced or godless sprinklers to boost mutation chances and place night eggs near the sprinklers. Also participate in the events like the Luna Glow event to get more night eggs, and you can also try trading with others. Trade extra night eggs with other players for raccoons, and use trusted trading platforms for safe trades. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.